1 out of every 5 drivers will be involved in a car crash this year. Seatbelts should be fastened before traveling any distance or speed because 75% of crash deaths and injuries occur within 25 miles of home and speeds under 40 miles an hour. More than half of the people killed in car accidents were not properly restrained. And 1 out of 4 serious injuries to passengers is caused by occupants being thrown around in the vehicle. Ask any paramedic how many dead bodies they cut out of seatbelts.